Yeah, you missed it. I didn't get it, Heather. Did you do it?
I got finger in your face.
Okay. What else?
Hi. And
What is your name?
Rosalie.
All right.
Rosalie.
We got a man on one base.
Come on, Amber.
Play to five. Move up.
Amber.
Don't yell.
One more. Move up more. All right, right there. Hit it. Not too low, not too high.